are going to learn how to do this project named as electricity from flowing water. In this kit you are going to get this turbine, 2 metal brackets, nut bolt with washer, 2 metallic wire, few LEDs, rubber bush, connecting cable, very important part of the project, dynamo, foam strip, 2 locking strip, 2 rubber bands and a metallic rod. Take 2 metal brackets which are provided in the kit. This is U-shaped bracket, this is L-shaped bracket. Keep L-shaped bracket on flat floor, then take U-shaped bracket and fix these 2 brackets using nut and bolt provided in the kit. Before doing this, remove the cello tape, 2-way tape from U-shaped bracket and fix it. First paste it and then place nut and bolt. Insert the bolt from L-shaped bracket and then insert it from U-shaped bracket. Join 2 brackets together with nut and bolt. Put a washer. First put a bolt, then put a washer, then a nut to fix it properly. Fix it tightly. Once this assembly is done, take the turbine which is provided in the kit. You can see there is a guard hole in a. This is the pulley of the turbine. This is the pulley of the turbine. Take metal rod. Pass this metal rod through this hole of the pulley of the turbine. While doing this, you should be more careful. Pulley should not come out from the turbine. Put the rod from another side of the turbine wheel. You can press it evenly so that rod will come out. Take a plastic cable tie, pass it from one hole of the L-shaped bracket. Take a dynamo and fix it on the L bracket using the cable tie. You can take help of another person as well. Make sure that this motor or dynamo is firmly fixed on the L bracket. Take a turbine wheel, pass the rubber band from the pulley of the turbine wheel. Take 2 plastic bush which are provided in the kit and lock this turbine wheel on the metal rod. Insert this steel rod through this C-shaped bracket or U-shaped bracket, whatever you say, through its 2 holes. While doing this, keep it in mind that this pulley of the turbine and the pulley of the motor should come on the same side. This small pulley on the motor and the big pulley of the turbine should be on the same side of this assembly. And pass the metal rod by stretching the metal bracket little bit. Like this. Now to fix this metal rod, on the bracket, place two plastic bush on two sides of the metal rod. So that the pulley will remain in the position on the bracket. Now you can stretch this rubber band from the big pulley of the turbine to the small pulley of the motor or the dynamo. Now look at the motor. Motor has these two terminals. One of it is positive and another one is negative. This long wire, connecting wire, is provided in the kit. Take this long connecting wire from the kit. Remove the plastic coating from end of this wire. These are 7-strand wire. Hold all strands in your finger and give it a good twist so that you can unite all strands of the wire. Repeat same thing from another side. Unite all strands of wire. General convention is that red dot is representing red terminal of the dynamo. Insert red wire from that pin where there is a red dot. Insert black wire from another pin. For smooth insertion, you are supposed to unite all strands of the wire and just give it a good twist and make this wire firm. Now you have two wires coming from your dynamo. Red is positive, black is negative. You have an LED in your kit. Now long terminal of LED is always positive terminal and short terminal is negative terminal. Connect red color wire to the black color wire to the short terminal of LED. To check whether your LED and dynamo are working properly, give a good twist to the dynamo. Your LED will start glowing. Now take the rubber band from the pulley of turbine and put this rubber band on the pulley of the dynamo. Now your project is almost ready. If you give a good twist to the turbine, your LED will start glowing. If flowing water is moving from the blades of turbine, it will give the motion to the turbine. Pulley of turbine will move, rotate, which rotates in terms pulley of motor or dynamo, and electricity is generated from dynamo and LED start glowing. Next step in the project, if you want to put more than one LED in this project, more LEDs are provided in the kit. Take all LEDs, prepare a LED panel. For preparing LED panel, you are supposed to put all LEDs in parallel. So all long legs of LED should come on one side of the foam. So you are supposed to keep it in mind. This is a long leg of LED. So insert all other LEDs like that. Long leg should come on one side of the foam. You can add 5 LEDs. Right now I am adding 3 LEDs. Then take a steel wire provided in the kit. Connect all long terminals of LED together like this. Connect all. While doing this connection, these long and short terminal should not get interconnected, or it will create a short circuit in the panel and LEDs will not glow. In the same way, take another steel wire. There are 2 steel wires provided in the kit. Connect of LED. From this wire. Now see, if these 2 wires get connected, there will be a short circuit created in the panel and your LEDs will not glow. One more thing you can do, that this panel should be very firm. Just bend these terminals of LED so that it will remain in connection. Now your panel is almost ready. You can cut off the extra steel wire. Once your panel is ready, red wire will be connected to the long terminal of LEDs and black wire should be connected to the short terminals of LED. Then just check working of panel by giving a good twist to the motor. Now you can see it's not glowing, so try it another way. Now these are glowing. Last step of the kit, that you are going to add water on this turbine. Turbine will move and your project is ready. Hydropower is renewable and a very clean source of energy, and we will not run short of this energy unless and until water cycle on the earth is working properly.